Hey guys.
Hello.
What are we doing today?
Getting Poppy.
We're getting a puppy! We're getting a puppy. Oh, we forgot to bring the food down. So, we got the food, we got all the other stuff in the downstairs with Mum. I need to get a drink bottle so he doesn't get thirsty. Really puffed out. Had to walk up and downstairs. You know, I'll just get my drink bottle. Can drink out of my drink bottle. Sorry, my room's a mess. I literally woke up 2 seconds ago. Oh, my phone, that might be good. Wow, you probably just saw everything. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. By the way, it looks like I'm a zombie because I've got like mascara underneath. Okay. Anyways, Bailey, hurry up. We have the food. Okay. I will see you. Oh wait, no, I can do it. Look how cute that puppy is. Okay. See you when we're in. So cute. I could put it in there and just like
come in with another dog and then it just
what is that? Keeper. What is that? Puppy, puppy, puppy. He's never been in a car before, so it's like really scary for him.
He's so good.
Look at the white. Oh.
Ow.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. He's so fluffy. Oh, he's playing with his teddy bear. He likes Bailey. Puppy, 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 puppy.
I'm just trying to bite it.
Puppy, 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 puppy. He probably feels safe in there.
Yeah. We won't stay in that for long, I bet.
Oh, he's trying to eat the Velcro.
she's just having puppies like there's no tomorrow.
I know, she had two last night, didn't she say?
Yeah, she had 6 more last night.
Oh,
she's... You know anyone? I'm like, oh, sugar.
Okay. Fine. So we just did our first piddle. No, it wasn't his first piddle. Well, we just made a pit stop. Yeah. Look how cute he is. Cooper! Cooper, Cooper, Cooper! Cooper, Cooper, Cooper! He's got his little teddy.
Is that him? Yeah. Aww.
No, it's me.
Well, I never know.
What's that? I think he just wanted to stay out there more. But there was another dog, so... Who's that? Cooper, Cooper, Cooper. He's very scared. Cooper, Cooper. He likes to lick a lot. Oh, it's not really helping that the car's moving a lot, but... Yeah, it's very bumpy. What do you think? Do you like him? What do you think, Mum? Do you like
I was like, I'm going to the toilet, he's just running alongside me.
I know he was
You're going to
running.
step on him. That's what I got to be careful of.
Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted, so... So, we're at Macca's getting Macca's, hey? And look at my puppy. Say hi, Cooper. Hi. You want to give the camera a lick? Oh, lovely. Lovely. Just what I needed. He loves licking. Anyways, let me just fix the camera because he just... I didn't know he was actually going to lick at it. Anyways.
Just like, please help me.
He looks so scared. He's very scared because he's never been in a car before. He was at the vet for like, well, I don't know why he was at the vet. Anyways, then the person came, the owner of him, took him away from his mum, got him in a car, and then took him to us, and then we, yeah. So he's very scared, as you can see. Well, he doesn't really look good anymore. Well, he does. This padding is like pretty much like a nappy, but like if he pees, you know. Yeah, we gave him water at our last stop. He never drank it though, but we gave him a treat. He loves the treats though. He loves the treats. Okay, so we're gonna get, well, my mum and dad are getting Macca's, and then we're gonna eat it, and I can't wait till we get home. He's so cute when he runs, isn't he? You are so cute when you run.
He's trying to chase my hand.
He loves his teddy too. Look at his like little white, he's got little white paws too. Oh, I can't really see it. Cooper. Look at his white. He's got a white chest too. It's so cute. Thanks.
I can do it.
Thanks for that. Okay. See you soon. Mum's getting him out. Look how cute he is.
A fun little walk.
Wait, doesn't he need his food and water?
Yeah, someone needs to get his food.
Bailey, can you get his food?
A little walk.
It's very cold. Get the food. Yeah, I'm getting food and water. Okay. See you soon. Welcome home. Where did he go? Who's that? Cooper! Cooper, come here. Oh, he's very tired. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. What's that? Oh. What's that? Who's that? Is that Mummy? He's super fluffy. He likes following us around. What do you think of him, Daddy? Oh.
Oh, his little toes get caught on the...
Where did it go? Move. I don't want to see your butt. Who's that?
Look out behind you.
Oh, he's behind me.
Cooper! Cooper, come here! Cooper, come here! Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Come down here. You come on.
Photo?
Back on the tiles.
Come on, Cooper, come on.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, they do catch on the carpet.
Yeah.
He's going like that, I'll rip the nails.
Cooper! Take a photo?
You know, while he's
Cooper! Boo, 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 boo.
Take a photo and
Okay, sit. Good boy. Oh,
God, he turned away.
sorry, I wasn't really filming. Oh, what is this? What is... Ready? I love you. No, he's very tired. Very tired puppy.
Annie, I was about to get a photo. Annie, can you sit on the
Why? What's this? bed? Is this your bed? Home. Go to home. Good boy. Good boy.
Where's his treat?
I don't know. That's why I told Bailey to get the treats, but he obviously didn't.
Guys, where's the Cooper? Hi! This is what you're gonna deal with because Annie is a vlogger.
He licks the camera. Oh, kissing. He was kissing. I have to edit it, but he kissed the camera when we were first filming him.
Oh, don't fall. This is Cooby.
Come here. Oh,
Don't
he's scared. Come here.
Goodbye to Annie. Wait till we get back. Goodbye.
Hi. This is. I just nearly bit my face off. So this channel's kind of going to be pretty much not about me anymore. It's going to be about Cooper. Come here. It's going to be about this guy. So I need your help with choosing a name for this channel, I guess. I was thinking of like Cooper Duper Saturday, so I'll be uploading like every Saturday. So you know, fun. I don't even know. Anyways, yeah. So his name's Cooper, and yeah, pretty much. Ow. Yeah. So he's 10 weeks now. Sorry, you can play now. And yeah. So he's a cavoodle, if you don't already know. His first night was very good. Sorry, I don't even know. Yeah. Okay, his first night was very good. He cried for about 5 minutes. Keep up. Come over here. Okay, his first night was very good. He just cried for about 5 minutes and went to sleep straight away. Yeah, just slept the whole night. No crying, which was good. Can you stop going near the camera? There we go. And then, yeah, didn't pee all night or do number 2s or whatever. He's all good. Okay. This is Mr. Happiness. That's his toy. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. You know what? But so now it's just going to be all about him. We might do like a couple of vlogs or just me not with him. But it's pretty much going to be like the life of Cooper, me training him, stuff like that. Yeah. So, yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to put that thumbs up. Yeah. Ooh. 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 Sorry. And see you next time. Okay, Papa. Let go. Let go. Let go of it. See you next time. Ow. Bye. Say bye. Beautiful. Okay, bye-bye.